My balls are all over his neck.
I'm sweating, I'm sweating, I'm sweating.
Fucking faggot. Isn't there a ladder in the other room?
Fuck
I don't know.
I'm gonna let you down, you're too heavy.
Wow! I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
He beams him in the head.
Okay, ready?
The fucking pipe wrench.
Oh, fuckers.
Ow! I'm so sorry.
It feels so light without you sitting on my back, man.
Did you video that? Fuck you.
Back
hurts. I don't think
I
it's
feel
fucking
lighter and I got
straight.
hit in the head with a hammer. Why don't we have a ladder?
I'm sure there's a ladder over there.
Okay, Jared, just slam the door open while he stands there.